Hey guys, welcome again. I'm Jaydasan Ullas. Today we will learn how to set transparent background picture to all PowerPoint slide. First, we need to go to the view option. Then select the slide master option. Now here you can see there are lots of slide option and different model. You can choose any of them. If I change any of them, it will be automatically change all the slide. Now write any of thing in this slide box. After that, go to the insert option. Then click on this picture option. Choose of your picture. Now adjust your picture as per you need. Again go to the home option. Then you can choose any of them shape. Now you drag here. After clicking the right button of your mouse, then go to the format shape. In the format shape dialog box, change the color. Now by using this transparent option, you can fade out the photograph to form a new slide background that you can use on all your slide. Always take 15 to 20% ratio. Done. Now close it. After that, right click on your mouse in the background of this picture. Then click send to back. Okay, now finish. It's simple but tricky. You have to do this on your computer PowerPoint. That's all these videos, and thank you for watching my tutorial.